Hello everyone, welcome back to episode 25 of Omnifactory. And behind me you can see I've been quite busy setting up these mechanical crafters. They're taking the outputs of all of these things. I've got all these set up now. These ones all have one upgrade in them, so they're supposed to be able to handle up to 124 stacks. They're not even close yet. But yeah, so they're all running now full speed. I have all of the outputs of the thermal data model going. So I have one of each of these: saltpeter, obsidian dust, snowballs, blitz rods, basalts, rods, blizz rods. I have what's this one called? Blaze rods, everything. And then I have them going into the ME. So they're going into these chests, these drawers here. And then from there, they're coming out of the ME system and they're going into these auto crafters, which are controlled by redstone. So this one is making these four here are making the powders, like the individual powders from the rods, and they're going into the ME system. So if you look at Blizz, we have yeah, quite a lot. I think I set them to a few thousand. Let me see. 1,000, yeah. So they ended up doing more because I didn't have these quite set up right, and anyway, they overflowed a little bit, but that's fine. And then these ones have the ingredients set to make the aerothium and the pyrothium and the cryothium dusts like that. So they're all just coming out of ME interfaces where I have the ingredients set up, and then I have limited item filters down here. If I just quickly grab a conduit so I can show you. So I have a limited item filter that's just putting the ingredients into the crafter like that. And then we have the recipe and they output there. And they also have a level limiter so that we have 1,000 of those. So if we look at the dust, so we have around about 1,000, 1,000, 1,000. And so that's these four here. So there's the petrothium and there's the pyrothium. And then finally, all of this stuff, including diamond dust, goes into this guy, and he's making the mana dust. So we also have 1,000 mana dust coming out. Then over here, I have this thing is making, what's that stuff called? The mana dust plus it's the mana, this thing, it's making mana infused metal. So it takes one piece of titanium, it crushes it and it mixes it with the mana dust. So this level emitter here is stopping it. We only need 8. Like the mana dust is actually not used for anything except for making the mana infused ingot. So I don't want like huge numbers of them in the ME system, just enough for the amount of mana infused ingots I want. I have a bunch extra here because when you're setting it up, you always get a little bit extra, but before you can turn it off with the level limiter. And then finally over here, it all goes into here. We have the Primal Manner that goes in there. We have the mana infused metal dust that goes there, and then yeah, it's making the ingots. So yeah, Primal Manner, of course, is this thing from into a fluid. Where do I make that? This one here? Yeah. So this is making Primal Manner, and I have 256 buckets of it in the ME system at any one given time. Do I need Primal Manner for anything else? I think there was something that's not really useful. Oh yeah, I'm going to need it for making these in the future. 4,000 Kelvin and 4,500. I think I need the next tier, right? 4,500 is tungsten steel. Yeah, and this one is 3,000. So I'm going to have to get some tungsten steel coils to make these two, signalium and lumium. Signalum. And then we've run out of space over here, so these blast furnaces are going to have to start popping up over here, which we haven't got quite yet. So, what are we doing today? Oh, let me just collect all of these quests. Oh, I've already got that one. So, I just said I already got that one. What else? Oh yeah, I made the Primal Mana. I made the mana infused ingots, although it's still kind of going. I ended up making some of these because I increased my crafting circuits to 64k. We've almost finished all of the quests here. None of these ones are actually all that useful. Like, I'm not going to use the MV power storage. I'm not going to use HV power storage. And we don't need this anymore. So I could probably do these quests just for the fun of it. The multi-smelter, I might use a multi-smelter later on for something. So when that happens, I'll just make it and get the quest then. Same with this one. We've almost finished here too. I didn't make all the gadgets. I haven't quite finished making. I need a wither skeleton. What do we need here? Wither and ender dragon. These ones take heaps and heaps of power, right? I think, how much power does it need? 6,666 RF per tick. Yeah, so we're not quite there yet to make these things, but soon enough. Compacting drawers I haven't made. I don't know why, and I guess I haven't made that yet. But we've almost finished this one. We almost finished that one. We've almost finished this one. We only have these couple of crafting tables to go. This one is got a lot more to go still. And what did we get in late game? Oh, we found some. Wait, I found that a few episodes ago. Why did that not trigger? Okay, which was the claymore button? Oh, claymore on this page. There we go. Okay, so today's episode, we're going to work on down here. We're going to start getting ready for the EV, the next tier of the fourth and final tier 3 circuits. So we'll be able to make a big stockpile of HV circuits from this quest line. So the first thing we need to do is process Palladium, which is actually we don't need the ingot. We need the. We do need the ingot. Looks like we need the ingot first, and then we can extract the liquid out of it, I guess. So anyway, we have Palladium. I forget where we got it from. It comes out of one of the veins. You don't need a whole lot, so this is probably going to be enough at least for quite a while. So let's get started, I guess. We're going to have to do the standard setup where we macerate it. Let me put these back into the system so they can appear there. Grab all of the stuff that we're going to need. I don't think I need it. Oh, maybe I'll need that. Glass, probably I'll need that. Some filters, we'll always need filters. Limited item filters useful, and regular item filters. All right, let's do with that. Let's head over here with this and a regular filter. We put our palladium ore into. There we go. And then we can. So what's this one? Extracting, inserting with white. So let's get a big item filter over here. Oh, I didn't get any big item filters. And we'll be blacklisting this stuff. Blacklist, crushed. And so we can extract. So we get all the other stuff out of it. Did that give us palladium? It did give us a little bit of palladium dust already. All right, so then we put the crushed into here, and then we take the impure and we get the palladium dust there too, so we're going to get quite a lot. So we don't want that one to go there, but everything else we do. Let's get a centrifuge going. Oops. Do I have a HV one? No, I do not. Let's get one started, and let's also make. Oh no, we don't need an electrolyzer, right? Let's just have a double check of this guy. Yeah, so no, we don't need it. Oh, we will need one of those guys, packager. Let's see, do we have HV recipe? We certainly do. And how are we going here? Looks like the centrifuge finished. Let's make a few more. It's always good to have these in stock. Oh, I don't have enough HV circuits. Well, in the future we will. Okay, there, centrifuge. So let's clear out some of these connections that we don't need anymore. And we're going to be inserting the impure into there. Oh, and yeah, we are. There we go. And then the tiny ones, we want to go in our packager. So we want to make sure we don't put the tiny ones back in here, but they go into here. Packager, white. And you'll be extracting on white too, and you'll be extracting on white. Okay, and then we need a circuit. And I think it's channel 1 to make it from a tiny into a big one. Yes. And extracting. Alright, so we should have a bunch of, oops, palladium. 42. Very good. Now we want to get the liquid palladium out of that. So we need 1700K, which is basically nothing. I think that even one of these will do 1700K, right? What are these guys at? 1800K, yeah. So maybe I can just shove it down here and then I don't have to do anything tricky. Like by setting up a whole new section over there. Let's do that, shall we? Oops, there. And we'll probably need a bunch more of these actually. Actually, wait, no we won't. Oop. Weird. Okay, electric blast furnace. Alright, looks like I need to build a few of these. Let me come back once I've built this. It'll take a little while to build it. It's kind of boring. And yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, we're back and it's all built up. It's not the fastest, but it doesn't need to be either. They just get green, right? Yes. Okay, so 78, 79, 80. Okay, that should have one piece of palladium now. Let's put these guys back. So, what is palladium used for other than... It is got other recipes. The problem with Greg Tech is I can never tell like if these are at all useful. Elytra wing. Palladium foil is not useful. Fine palladium wire is not useful. So, I mean, the question is, do I only care about making it into the liquid to make this stuff? I don't know. I think that's the only thing it's used for, right? Because the thing is, if I'm using it to make these, it's going to fill up one of these completely, an autoclave. Okay, let's just do that, why not? And if we need it for something else, we can always make... Oh, I don't have a HV autoclave? Weird. Because like, if I need it for anything else, I can always like go and find some, stop processing it, and yeah, it's probably the way to go. HV autoclave. There we go. And there, autoclave. Yes. And what was the other thing we're going to need? We're going to need a fluid extractor, a HV, one of those too. And I guess the question is, how should we do this? We don't want to waste it too much, so I don't want to like fill this out, the output of this with 64 buckets, because that's like hundreds and hundreds of ingots, because one ingot is only 100 millibuckets, 144 millibuckets, right? So I might do what I'll do. Okay, we're gonna fluid extract, and we're gonna have a machine cover, machine controller, and a level emitter, like a fluid one. And we need to have a fluid interface. Oh, I don't have any. So that we can, yeah, we don't have any here. Okay, let's grab one of those. There you going. That's the slow part now. All my other machines are fast. Okay, let's plonk you, oops, down right there and hook you up there. And then we'll have our machine cover. Oh, I can't do that because it's pointing the wrong way. So let's point it the right way. And then put the machine cover and then point it back again. I don't know why that's a thing. Why does it let me do that? Oh, I can't do it just yet because I don't have the... Okay, let's get one palladium ingot there. Are we still going? We've already finished. Okay. And then let's get our limited item filter. Plonk you down there, put one palladium ingot there, and insert. Okay, so you should be going. Yes, let's get a bucket. No, I'll get a pipette because it won't be a bucket full yet. And oh, it's almost a bucket full. All right, so let's get exactly one bucket worth in the ME system. We'll turn it off when we're above one bucket's worth, because otherwise, should I just go like that? Why not? Okay, and then we gotta get our fluid. Oops. Our fluid conduits, we're gonna extract white. Oh, no, wrong one. Fluid, white. Nothing, 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 nothing. It doesn't really matter if I have these extracting fluids, but I just think it's better if it's just cleaner if I know that if that a connection means that something has to go in there, you know. Okay, so you should be extracting there, and you are not turned on yet. Why not? Wait, and why is there nothing going in there? What's going on? Oh, I've used up all the dust. And we have 0.3. Okay, so let's put you in there, and there are your 1.44 buckets. So you should be on now, yes. Okay, so that means we should have, once we get an ingot, the ingot should go there, and the rest should backlog into the ME system. Actually, let me just put that in there, and we should see it pop up there. Right? Yes. And then eventually one will backlog into there, and then it'll start backlogging into the ME system. Okay. The next thing is, now that we have, I wish there was a limited item filter for liquids. Why is that not a thing? Basic fluid filter. Is there like a more complicated fluid filter? No. Yeah, see, I wish there was like a limited item filter, like a limited fluid filter. That would be cool. But yeah, there's not. I think there is if I use Greg Tech machine covers, but then like I gotta line everything up so that it works properly. Okay, never mind. So we're gonna put our palladium in here. Oh, let's get some palladium. There we go. So you should be going again, right? Oh yeah. Okay, so we're gonna put, what are we gonna do now? We're gonna put palladium in here so we can grab it out. Huh. And we're gonna extract on brown because we always do brown for liquids. And we are going to insert with a filter. Oops, no. With a filter, palladium, brown, insert. So you should be going in there. Yes, very good. And then carbon fiber, right? Carbon fiber is just carbon dust. Okay, that's easy enough. We have plenty of that. At least I think we have that. Yeah, that's restocking, so that's good. We can put some, we don't need many because we only have a little bit. 4 will do. And let's put 4 in there. Yep. And there's our raw carbon fibers. Okay, so we'll extract on white, and we'll have a machine cover up on the top, and we'll just keep a few of these in stock as well. Level emitter. What is a good number for carbon fiber? Let's have a look. What are these used for? I'm not going to use it for this because you can also use this. I'm going to use this to make the fiber reinforced epoxy resin sheets. So, but the other thing was nano CPU wafers, and we need 16. So we don't need to make this in huge quantities, right? So we'll just take like 32, I guess. Why not? Seems about right. And put you there and there. Wait, how come you're on? Do we already have raw carbon fiber? Where did we get that from? Oh, I'm already extracting it. Okay, that's how quick it is. Okay. There we go. And then, where's raw carbon fiber? Wait. So let's grab these and this. And then we got to make nano CPUs in here. Chemical reactor 480, so we can make it in a HV one. Chemical reactor HV, yeah, this guy. And it's with Molten Glowstone, right? I don't think I have that yet. Let's just make sure. What is it called? Molten Glowstone. And a CPU wafer. So I don't think I have some of them here, but are they coming from, where are they coming from? They're not being stocked, right? These were just left over from my previous. I think that all my CPU wafers are immediately going into the cutting machine. Wait, where are they? Over here. So one of these is making CPU wafers, I think. Which one? Integrated circuit. Central process. Yeah. So this one is making CPU wafers. Glass lens. CPU wafers. But then it's just like immediately putting them into here. Whereas I need them to go into the ME system so I can use them. Well, I guess I can use them here too. If I put it there. But then I suppose I could also just have another laser engraver with another glass lens to make them. Yeah, maybe we'll do that. Engraver. Wait, no, what is it? Yeah, precision laser engraver. This guy. So let's just get another one of those. I put it here and I'll put the... but then we need the cutting machine. All right. I'm going to put it over here so that we can have them all in a row. So you there, and you're going to need a glass lens, which is, I think it's just in an autoclave with a piece of glass, right? Yeah. So I should have a water autoclave over here with my these guys. Not that one. I'm pretty sure I have a water one somewhere. Do I or do I not? Maybe I don't have a dedicated one. Maybe I just have it because it's used to make the crystal, the Certus quartz. Let's see. What's that? Chemical reactor, electrolyzer, packager. The easiest way to find out which row it's on is by seeing if I have Certus quartz here in any of these. Nope. 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 Ah, here we go. So this is, oh wait, no, that's salt. Salt. It's not Certus quartz. Maybe one of these guys? Nope. 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 Okay, maybe it's over here. Nope. There we go, Certus quartz. Okay, so there must be one here somewhere. Probably down the bottom because that's where I usually put my... Well, oh, there we go! Haha! Let's make a few of them. There we go. Okay, so we put our glass lens in there. We have wafers. So these guys should be auto restocking. So let's put you there. And so we don't want anything extracting from there or there. We want, let's just put one in here because they're kind of slow to make. Right? You should go in there. Oh, I guess it takes a while for this thing to cut one, doesn't it? Wherever they're being cut from. One of these guys? Nope. Oh, am I not? Oh. Oh. So maybe I do need to put that. Maybe I should put this one over there as well. I don't know if I have any other... Maybe I shouldn't actually. Maybe I should make sure these go into the ME system. Because I might have more in the future. Wait, what happened there? Oh, I guess I... Okay. Yeah, maybe that's what I'll have to do. So, who is the cutter that gets us... Oop, none of these. Over here. One of these is a cutting machine, right? Yeah. So I think what we'll do is put these into the ME system. And then we can use them anywhere instead of just in this single row. So let's get you and you and... Oh, where are we? Level emitter, you and here. So we'll get 16 of them. For just because we need a number. And let's extract, well you're extracting on green, but if we extract on white, they'll go into the ME system. And then do we have any space? Yeah, we do. So we can put one there. It should be extracting them all from that machine, and then yeah, now it's going to be there. So now these guys, like if I take it out of there, it'll come from the ME system. Yeah, very good. Okay, and then you should have one as well, right? Yes. Okay, so now we need a chemical reactor. Do I have one already? I thought I made one of those before. I guess I did not. Oh wait, no, that's it there, but I haven't hooked it up. Hang on a sec. Yeah, okay, I'll just put it in here, that's fine. Let's get my Yetta wrench. Yetta. Yoink. So, oh, what did I do that for? I always do that. Okay, let me just remake it. No. So nothing there, and a limited item filter there, and one of these, and raw carbon fibers again we need. 16, wasn't it? 16 there. And I guess that means we need to put 16 here. Oh, wait, what? Why did you get that stuff? Insert. Okay, now we need molten glowstone. Is molten glowstone used for anything else? Oh, there's no like... That's weird. Why is it not in JEI? Reactant Dynamo. Oh, okay. I don't know if that's simply jetpacks. I don't know if I need this stuff. I think it's easy enough just to extract fluid, like, you know, extract it as I need it. So I'm not going to bother keeping this stocked up in my ME system or anything like that. So let's get some glowstone. And we're almost out of space here, but we have one more is enough. Actually, I should probably put some stuff like up here in case I want to put stuff down the bottom. And then I have space in this thing to put them there. So let's grab you. Raw carbon fiber, this, and I guess technically all of this stuff could be there. So carbon dust, this, was that all I had? 4? 1, 2, 3, 4, and there was one open. Okay, yes, very good. All right, and then we will extract you, and this one is the one that we'll insert into. So let's grab that. We won't insert into that one so that we can have one extra space. Insert. Okay. And then we need to insert, doesn't matter how much, glowstone dust into there. And we should be making molten glowstone, very good. And let's get you extracting liquid brown, and let's grab, oh, I have palladium here. Let me just put it in there and grab the glowstone. And what are we doing? We need this, oops, this kind of filter with molten glowstone and brown. No, that's the wrong one again. I hate how it does that. And brown there, but not there. Okay. Why is that not working? Oh, because it's not glowstone doped wafer. It's supposed to be integrated circuit wafer. No, it's supposed to be CPU wafer. Right? This one. Glass lens. Ah, silly me. So... that's the wrong thing. Not you. Not you. It's going to be the laser engraver. Wait, that's what I did there. A cutting machine. Cutting. Wait. CPU wafer. No, that's what it is. Oh boy. So extract. And we can just insert the one. Whoops, because we don't need that much, but we'll put the whole 64 in there because we may as well use these wafers up. Okay. Now, then I think we put a cutting machine again, right? What do we get out of it? Nano CPU wafer, and I think we need to get this into a cutting machine to cut it into, yeah, nano CPUs. Okay, very good. Cutting. So HV1, and we'll get some lubricant. So let's head, hang on, let's put this back into there, and let's head over to the base, grab some lubricant. There it is. And where are we? Over here. Put the lubricant in there. Wait, why didn't it show up? Oh, okay, that was weird. We should have our cutting machine built by now. Yes. Where can we put it? Over here. So, is there any point... CPU wafer. Is there any point like limiting this stuff? Probably there is, right? I should probably limit this thing. Stop this thing. Wait, do we need nano? We do eventually need them to make qubit CPU wafers. So let's get like these extracting into the ME system. Because we will need them again for other things. Man, it's really annoying when the one probe covers the entire screen. There, level emitter like so, and we will extract you on white. So let's grab, oh, we just need a few of these in the system, so let's make it 16. And then let's make sure we hook it up. There. So you should turn on soon enough. So it's okay if we make heaps of these because these are basically free. Yeah, and then this will back up and then this will back up. That's fine. And then we'll just have 16 of those in the system and then we won't have like millions of these being wasted. Okay, very good. And then we got to put one there, and in our cutting machine over here, we want to get lubricant in there. So let's get you putting in lubricant and brown. So it should be filling up, yes. And then we want this thing. And we want just one, putting the wafer in there, insert, and you should be cutting pretty quickly, I guess. And now we got nano CPUs. So we will extract them back into the system and put a level emitter down so that we don't have too many of those in the system. Okay, so let's temporarily move you there, put you there. Maybe back there. Level emitter it up. Let's say 256 of these guys. I don't think we even need that many, but it is what it is. Okay, and then lift that up and we should be good. Okay, so now we have how many of those already? 49. Doesn't take long at all. Okay, so that's that quest done. We now just need to make the EV assembling machine, so maybe we can do that. Where are we? EV. We need the IV circuit for that. I think I have one already, yes. And can we make you straight off the bat? Where's the EV one? There it is. No, we can't. What are we missing? Oh, we don't have any EV robot arms. I guess we need one of you. While I'm making that, let's also make this one. Let's see. Okay. Is it going to make it? Is it going to make it? It's not making it, is it? Let's see what happened there. Let me just put this in here. It's not making it. That's very weird. I wonder if I forgot to... No, because it makes the EV one. There it is. Oh, it is making it. It's just super slow. That must have been it. Yes, okay. So now we should be able to make the EV assembling machine. Oh, we're missing a bunch of annealed copper. I have 128. So I guess I am not making enough of that. I'm not stockpiling enough of that, I should say. Which one is annealed copper? I'm now, I don't know if I showed you this before, but I moved this over to be based on the oxygen that I have from those towers over there instead of doing it on demand. Okay, so we have 128. Let's do 512. Whenever we need more, we can just, you know, up the dosage. Okay, so I think it needed it for this EV circuit, maybe? I'm not sure. No, that doesn't need any annealed copper. What did I need it for then? Oh, maybe for these things need to make wires. Oh, yeah. Let's make a few of them first. How are we going here? What's the slow part? It's making the wire is the slow part. And crafting it into the 8x or whatever it is. Okay, so now can we make it? Let's see if we made enough annealed copper. No, we haven't made enough annealed copper just yet. We need 27 more. If I make another robot arm, it didn't actually need that much. Maybe there's other stuff that it needs to. I guess the... It's also conveyor. Is it the motors that need it? Oh yeah, it's the motors that need it. Wow, 8 times annealed copper. 40. All right, anyway, I think we're running out of time. Once that annealed copper has restocked itself, I'll be able to make the EV assembly machine. And then we'll be in the next thing, we'll be making the 4th and final tier 3 circuit. Oh wait, what else do we need? Oh, we need fiber reinforced epoxy substrate, this stuff, which we needed to use. We needed to make it with glass fiber. All right, so I think we're gonna have to wait until next time to do this. This is gonna be a bit of work to do. So I won't make this off camera because it's kind of interesting, I guess, ish. But I will have everything set up so that we can make the rest of the tier 3 circuit. So over here, I think this is the... Yeah. So this is the same color, right? Light blue, yeah. So we should be able to make all of these in the next episode, potentially. Let's see. So we'll be making this one in the next episode. So we got that. Do we have fine... We don't have that stockpiling, do we? No, we have it craftable. So I'll set up a stockpile of that. Once we have that, then we make this, and it's just with 3 of these. Fine aluminium wire. Oh, I have small coils. I think we already made small coils, right? Yeah, looks like we have a bunch of those being stockpiled. Yep. Okay, and then it's so we'll have that one, then that one, then the IV one should be, okay, tungsten steel plates, that's doable. RAM nanoprocessor, yeah, that's all doable. And then the IV one, wait, that was the IV one. The LUV one, then the first of the tier 6 circuits will take tungsten steel frames. So maybe we gotta up our tungsten game a bit. So maybe what we'll do in the next episode is we will make this stuff and we'll get the first up to, at least up to there done. And then I'm going to start, we're going to have to do a little bit of work, I think, to slightly semi-automate the tier 2 micro miner, because this guy is what gives us our tungsten. So we have to semi-automate this. We can't yet automate this completely because I was looking at this. The thing that we're missing is osmiridium, so we can't quite automate it completely, but we can semi-automate it to make it a little bit easier to get a bunch of the scheelite and the tungstate ore. So that's what we'll do in the next episode, but thanks for watching to this one, and I'll see you then. Bye.